Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, your go-to channel for creative design tips and tutorials. I am excited to show you how to create a professional and eye-catchy Tri-Fold Brochure using Canva, a free and easy-to-use design tool. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process to ensure your brochure not only looks amazing but also effectively communicates your messages. By the end of this video, you will have the skill design brochures that stand out and captivate your audience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our future design tutorials. Now, let's jump into the Canva and get started. After taking a Tri-Fold Brochure page from Canva, go to the element section and let's search for a triangle frame. Let's take this triangle frame and place it on the right corner of the page. Then again go to the element and search for a building. Here we are going to a building picture. Let's find a perfect building picture. Let's take this picture. Before place it, flip it horizontally and place it. Then go to the element again. Let's search for a shape. Let's take this half oval shape. Rotate it and adjust it over the third section of the page. Adjust this oval section. Adjust this oval shape and then again go to the element and let's search for a oval line or oval outline. Graphics panel, let's find the oval frame or a oval outline. Let's take this outline and adjust it around the oval shape. Adjust the shape and the outline properly. Then let's change the color of shape and the outline too. Adjust the shape and the outline. Then go to the element and search for a frame. Let's take this round frame and then go to the upload section and let's search our logo. Let's find our logo. Let's take this picture and adjust it with the round frame, and then go to the border, give border and give it a color to white color, and now adjust it. Let's take a text box and type special ideas. Change the color in white and reduce the font size and adjust it over the oval shape. Change the font style and adjust it. And now take another text box or copy the text box and type business. Increase the font size and make it uppercase. And now take another text box, make it unbold and paste the dummy text and reduce the font and adjust it under the business. Make it at both side alignment. Go to the element section and let's search for a frame. Here we are going to take this frame and adjust it on the first part of the brochure. And now for the frame, let's find a technology picture. From the photo section, let's find the picture. Let's take this picture and adjust it with the frame. And then take a text box Before that, go to the element and search for a shape. Let's take this frame and adjust it under the frame of picture. I think I should change the frame. Let's take this oval rectangle frame and adjust it. And now place the text. Type our services. Then give a color, give this gradient color. And then take another dummy text, adjust it under the services. Make it a good alignment. And then take another text box and type creative ideas. And from the elements, let's search for a icon. Let's take this icon and adjust it beside the creative ideas. Then paste the dummy text under creative ideas and make good alignment with all the text. Then again copy a text box and type business concept. Again reduce the font size and paste the dummy text. And I think I should reduce the font sizes for proper adjustment. Adjust the all things. From the element panel, let's search for a icon for business concept. Let's take this, reduce the size and adjust it beside the business concept. And then let's take a text box and type marketing strategy. And then copy the dummy text and paste it under marketing strategy. And again go to the element and search for an icon for marketing strategy. Take this icon, reduce the size and adjust it with the marketing strategy. And then again take a text box, type risk management and again paste the dummy text and let's search for an icon for risk management. Take this icon, resize it, make it small and adjust it with the risk management. Here now adjust the all texts. And now let's take another rectangle shape or copy this rectangle shape and type get in touch. And let's change this gradient color in this gradient shade. And now let's go to the element and search for a phone icon. Let's take this and let's change the color in purple. Keep it same as the content. Adjust it. Take a text box and type the phone numbers. Then go to the element and search for an email icon. Take this email icon and adjust it. Make it same size with phone icon and change the color in purple. and adjust it. Now take another text box and type our email address INS Creations Ltd 2024@gmail.com. Reduce the font size of phone numbers. And then take this location icon and change the color in purple. Adjust it under the email icon. Make it all center. Then let's type the address. And then go to the element and search for a shape. Let's take this round shape and make it a black. Press Alt and keep pasting it. And now let's adjust the all things. Place the black dots. And now select all the things and make center alignment. For this frame, let's change this frame. Let's go to the frame and search another one. Here, let's take this, the similar one but different. Place it over the services and adjust it. Adjust the picture. Delete this. And now adjust the all things. Increase the font sizes so that it's look good and readable. Then go to the element and search white text background. Let's see. Let's take this background, place it to the background and make the transparency low. Adjust the first frame. Now adjust all the things. It is a Tri-Fold Brochure. If you need this kind of design or any kind of design need like logo design, flyer, ID card design or any kind of print media design, please contact with us. Our contact details will be attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.